From orbit, South Asia appears as one connected landmass. Then borders emerge. India and Pakistan, two nations shaped by the upheaval of 1947. Archival scenes of crowded trains, migration, and divided communities reveal the human cost of partition and the scars it left behind. A timeline follows: the wars of 1947–48, 1965, 1971, and Kargil in 1999. Maps, headlines, and animated troop movements explain decades of tension without turning conflict into spectacle. The goal is understanding, not glorification. The story then shifts to the present. Fighter jets, tanks, naval fleets, drones, missile defense systems, and satellites show how both countries have invested heavily in modern military power. Balanced infographics compare defense budgets, personnel, air and naval strength, and technological development with equal framing and neutral design. Finally, the mood changes. Soldiers lower their weapons, children study, cities grow beneath a rising sun. History teaches us the cost of war. Peace, diplomacy, and progress build a stronger future.